Welcome everyone. Today I'm presenting you the AI Marketing Hub library. Hook one brain to your agent and run the entire AI Marketing Hub toolchain from a single goal. What that means? It means inside our AI Marketing Hub community, we have a lot of brains. Second brains, vaults, Obsidian vaults, like this one, for example, right? All of these are files, texts, instructions, and tags. The same, we have different brains. We have the marketing brain, for example, the one that was presented before. We have the website brain that contains the full-on heart and body of a website. We have the social media hub, which is for social media, right? Local SEO, email marketing, cybersecurity, ads, and Gen AI. To have all these tools together is quite hard to intake. Imagine how many instructions. There's too many brains out there. The same goes for skills, because these are only brains, but we also have skills, right? So all of these are skills and vaults inside our community. Now, this whole AI Marketing Hub library, which is the second brain of our AI Marketing Hub GitHub organization and all the skills together, it will be your ultimate assistant that will gonna help you achieve any sort of task. By that, I mean any sort of task. Any sort of prompts you need to, let's say, do a full-on SEO audit, to have a full-on report, to have a full-on website brain, or all other super master ultimate brain, as you wish. Everything, it will help you, because inside we have a full-on library of prompts, also with relevant tags. The system is ever evolving, so it will all grow also alongside with you. And here's an example of what we have inside. For example, here is an index of one part in regards to SEO. So here we have, let's say, parents, ads, apps, blog, client delivery, codex, creator, cybersecurity, email, Obsidian, let's say, research, social. So all these are tags, and all these are interconnected between each other with relevant nodes and also with relevant skills, vaults, or brains, or instructions in regards to that. For example, here, if you want to run a cybersecurity check on your website or on your SaaS, we have run cybersecurity brain in just vault, for example. This is instructions for the AI to execute that specific command. Here we have also relevant tags, research to strategy. Here we have client brain build, for example, if you want to have a full-on PDF in regards to your clients, if you are an agency, for example, an SEO agency, so it will help you create, let's say, the overall strategy using specific nodes, right? Calling specific DataForSEO, SERP endpoints in regards to analysis, so you can get some relevant keyword data, for example, right? So you can build that local, for example, SEO authority in regards to maps, Google My Business, and anything relevant. So this is the full-on playbook of all the skills and brains that we have. So this is the whole AI Marketing Hub library in front of you guys. It's a full-on Obsidian vault. All of these are, once again, text files. Inside we have the prompts for each and every vault inside. Let me show you around the repo. So once again, hook one brain to your agent and run the entire AI Marketing Hub toolchain from a single goal, basically our community and also our GitHub organization, that being Claude SEO, for example, Claude Blog, Claude Ads, cybersecurity, email marketing, website analytics, and anything else, professional PDF reports in the client's brain styles, for example. Going more down, for example, you can also have a look to the repo. How it works, you just connect this brain to your AI agent, and afterwards you can just ask it for a goal, and then if you want, let's say, maybe you have a long session, perhaps you can even run it for days if you really want to. So how to install it? It's quite simple. So here we have just one prompt, one git command we can just copy in our terminal, or we can just prompt our cloud to install it. But I'm just going to follow this. I'm just going to copy that git command. I will minimize this one for now. So here I'm going to just create a folder. I will name it AI Marketing Hub Library Second Brain, for example. Inside this folder, I'm just going to open, and I'll open terminal here, and I'm just going to copy this bash command. And it's easy as that to set up this whole marketing brain. So right now, what I can do, I can just run Claude Code inside, and I can set it even as default system settings, which I already have on my system. I have my own AI Marketing Hub library connected to my own Claude system, to my second brain, and I'm always executing tasks accordingly. So here I can just even straight away spawn, for example, Claude, and I would say, hey there, Claude, I wanted to use the AI Marketing Hub library and come up with a prompt that will help me audit my website. So Claude adds that empty website. If really I want to check how is the first impression, how are the colors, how is the mobile optimization. So what I want is the full-on prompt and also execution order in regards to that. Additionally, give me a full-on instructions because I want to run a goal command for maybe like around 6-7 hours that will also review other elements, maybe competitors, do a full-on research, check our socials. I would say basically that's it, guys. I mean, we get the point. Anything you want. You want to rank your site. You want to make maybe a marketing brain. Because let's say the email marketing brain is fantastic, right? So if you're doing email marketing, for example, if you have products, services, and of course you have auto replies. So there we have even specific workflows and then automations that you can just even hook, or even classic Claude with scheduled tasks, for example. There's many ways that you can also always, I mean, edit all these tasks together. But I always like to have just classic Claude. And of course, if you want to do specific tasks each and every day, you can just easily do it with the /schedule command, right? I mean, you definitely can check it out. But the main point here is that you have the ultimate assistant that can execute tasks for you, and also at the same time as you're going to hook it up. So let's say you're always making specific changes, because you're going to have also all the toolchain, that being Claude.co, Claude Blog, Obsidian, for example, specifically Obsidian also, because inside we have the /save command. And if we're going to even put here, if we're going to put here, guys, like /save command, for example, here we have the Claude Obsidian save, right? So this is going to save the current AI Marketing Hub library, and also at the same time my current second brain. And we're going to have an ever evolving system. So let's say maybe if I did a full SEO audit and I made some changes on specific components, and then afterwards I made like 3 blogs, it will note that on this specific brain, on this specific vault. And in future, so let's say maybe if you want to create other contents, you will not replicate the exact same one. Or in case if you want to update, we can always update. You want to change components, you can always change components. Because in the end, what is Obsidian? It's a full-on vault. It's full-on text, but the graph is just properly set. And of course, it's full-on interlinking, which is fantastic. Interlinking of folders and files. And guys, this is AI Marketing Hub library, your ultimate orchestrator of our AI Marketing Hub Pro community. So this is for, if really for everyone that is new, let's say, to Claude, or in general new to community. You don't have time to spend, right, to learn and to go to the whole classroom, because it takes a lot. You can just install this AI Marketing Hub library once. So just go to the repo straight away. By the way, it's private. It's only available to our AI Marketing Hub Pro community one, just for information. So as soon as you install it, guys, you just run it and say, hey, install all the skills for me, install or update all the skills, for example, set all the vaults, and let's rank some websites, or let's do some SEO, or crafting some reports, or let's get some clients, or let's craft some emails or socials, depending, of course, on your specific use case and your needs. But it's a full-on library of instructions, and everything here is interlinked with all our other repos inside our organization, our AI Marketing Hub organization, by the way. And guys, well, once again, this is our AI Marketing Hub library. Alive in front. It will save you tons of prompts. It will save you tons of time. It's especially good for newbies. And once again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Daniel, and I wish you all a great day ahead. Take care. Ciao, ciao.